Delta Tatafo princess, the girl wey no dey mind her business. E get wetin dey bother me, don't say when I say make I call pour out. And wetin happen to one sister like that when e be say this life, na person story they say they get sense. Babe, bros, if you no use person story get sense, story go use you shine. Na so it just be. I can't talk to those people when it be say most times your friend, who you call your friend, they get friend when he get friend, when he get another friend. If you know how they talk your mind, I bet hit the like button. Maybe they show me that love. Especially women. I am talking to the ladies and gentlemen in the house this evening, especially the women. Learn to keep your secrets to yourself. Most time our mouth too dey run. Our mouth too dey talk, our mouth too dey yarn wetin they know, wetin we not suppose yarn, wetin we not suppose bring come out. You go call person say you love am, you go share secrets with am. When e be say una don't get small beef, una don't get small quarrel, boom, e don expose you. Who does that? Why? If you are that kind of person, this is my advice to you. Please change. Learn to respect people's secrets. And as for you, when it be say you know they control your mouth, your boyfriend go buy shoe, give, my guy tried to do, he carry me go buy shoe. Your boyfriend go do this one, my guy do this one today. Your husband go do this one, see my husband, he take my children go shopping. Madam, close your mouth. Close your mouth. Because that person where you dey tell, he get friend when he get friend, when he get friends. Close your mouth. Learn to keep your mouth shut. For once, they not say me you no get bestie. They not say me you no get paddy. But there are some people you share your secrets with. Some people, they be unfriendly friend. Why is it like that? Because you know they keep your mouth shut. Anything happen to you, you seal your mouth. They go bring your nyash out. No. But you choose to they talk. Blah, 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 blah. When body sweet you, the day when body sweet you, keep on to yourself. The day when you see food chop, keep on to yourself. The day when you no see chop, keep on to yourself. It helps a lot. No, they run your mouth. No, they run your life. Because that person where they run your life for, so tomorrow, it go run you down. If you're blabbing your life, you're yarning your life for your fellow friend, your bestie, even if not your sister, babes, oga, madam, now they hear me, keep your mouth shut for once. It helps. Our sister now, breeze don't blow now, inyash don't open. Because of say she no keep her mouth shut. You see, make I tell you, all the time now they talk am. If you dey progress, some people they vex. If you dey progress, some people they vex. They don't like me you shine. See this small giveaway when I do for my birthday, just to appreciate God. I be planning in another way, but because of the quarantine, corona, you not gonna make me do am the way I say do am. I still say make I give away. That card when I send, how much be card? Some people don't come want me. Delta Tatafo princess, you they show yourself. You be this, you they do give away. How much be the card? Even if I give 100,000, they give the less privileged. If I give millions, they give the needy. Carry go orphanage home. Wetin concern you? Wetin concern you? Some people dey to eat 1 square meal a day na problem. 1 times meal to feed a day na problem. But when you help those people now, those people when it be say they don't know your story, but they won't share your glory, they go dey vex, say why you help. Now make if you help some kind people, keep it to yourself. If you help some kind people for your life, learn to save your secret at times. You get some kind thing when it be say you go don't do pass. Let me come to the babes. You be babe, you don't run some kind package pass. You don't run some kind matter pass. Every woman get past too. I've been saying this all the time. Every human had a past. But you have to let go of your past so that it will not rob your future. Because the more you they carry your past, they can't talk, they can't yarn. wetin you don do pass, you go dey tell am say na my bestie, no go fit open your nyash. Sister, make I tell you, one day she go surprise you. Yes, one day she go surprise you. So learn to keep your secrets to yourself, especially your past. Your past is your past. Face the present and focus on the future. No dey talk too much. Because this thing, e get some kind of people when e be say you go follow live life. Una go sweet. Una go shook am for the same plate. At times, una go even share brazier wear. But once they back you, they don't stab you. Once they back you, they don't stab you. Because you no close your mouth. Your mouth, you no close. Now, person story, they take the learn. Please, if you're watching me, they give me that thumbs up. If I they talk your mind, maybe they show me that love. Share with your friends. Share. If you not tap something from inside, that your bestie, when they stab you for back, if you share and you see the video, you go tap something from inside. Learn to keep your secrets. You go get some kind of thing when you be as a babe, you don't run past before. You don't run some kind of package past before. Normally, babe, at times you dey rock life before you choose to settle down, because when you rock life, your eyes here. When you settle down, you not get wetin dey outside when you won't look again, because you don't see every, you don't see life well. Then that past now, when you don't rock life before, you come marry. God bless you with your partner. You come marry. Because say you jam bestie. Because say you jam one person. When it be say, the person, he not even ready to be your bestie. Oh. He won't know your secret, so that if you use body rub you. If you don't gather all your secret finish, go use them, finish you. Because say you jam am. You go say, babe, the time when I did school, I sleep with 100 men. I do plenty, I remove plenty level. I do olosho where. This guy, he do this, he do that. At times, we women, we dey share stories, but there are some certain stories you don't need to share, because they are the past. They are gone and gone forever. You don't have to bring them up. When you don't talk am, say, you do this one. Maybe that your friend, they eye your guy before. That your friend, they eye your husband before. That past, so you go use and nail you. You go meet your husband, come. Go meet your guy, come. As your girl not the feed they take him, so as your wife not the feed they born, so come wait till they stop. She tell you say she don't do plenty abortion for the past. She tell you say she don't remove plenty for the past, because you need to go check her well. They go bring your nyash open. Before you look, they test your guy for your back. They write your husband for your back. You yourself, you go just they do bestie, wetin don't do you. It don't best your hobby take. Your eye go come do wetin, it go come neat. So women, make una get sense. Especially the women, get sense. Because this life, they know they go market, they go buy sense. So now person story, you take they get your own sense. Yes. Learn to keep your mouth shut and keep your secrets to yourself. There are some certain secrets self when you be say you get. They say when man and woman don't marry, they don't become one. Get some kind of secret where you get for life. You don't need to tell your boyfriend. You don't need to tell your hobby, because you look and say now your past. You want to hijack the present and focus and build the future. You don't need to tell them, because most men, when you tell them your past, they go use them, rob you, nail you. They go use them, rob you, nail you. Thank God, person you know the better finish. But you see that my bobo, he doesn't even care about my past. Most times, if I didn't move, if I wait till I take, well, if leave the past is gone and gone forever. You don't even know. Okay, make I brief you. No, this is our present, and we are heading towards the future. You don't know. But you see those immature mind. All those ones. They go tell you, say, may you tell there. Wait till come make your first marriage not work. Why you leave that boy? How many times you na break up? How many this? They go they ask childish question, so that the day when you with them go get quarrel, they go use and waiting finish you. They go say, see this one when don pour a belle finish, this one when e be say don do olosho for the past, they go use am finish you. Most times there are some certain secrets when you don't get, when you dey do omogeli. If you don't marry, madam, let am go. Let am go. Because you see some kind past, when they be say you don't fish out, when love they shock you. Because some women, I know now, some women they, when love they shock them, the love that they shock them, they sweet them. Before they go they yarn, they know. Now so, they go they yarn, they talk wetin they no ask them. Both the one when they no ask them, they go they yarn. Maybe your bestie don't carry you go groove life small. You don't sip small for mouth. Maybe now only one Peroni you drink or half cup of whiskey. Tola nowhere. The 1960 you go begin run your mouth, all of them. All those one they do. Evil song, they go they record you. May you fuck up one day. Now you go their house, you go cross leg, they go write to see. I have in fact, keep your secrets to yourself. Sister, when she go run her mouth for her bestie turn sister now, they don't use her past, her secrets to finish her. E get some kind certain secret when e be say you fit share with your man when you know say it go affect you for the future. Like now, some women they no go fit take in without say they not do the other way round. When you can't jam the man when he truly love you, fine, you're free to open up to the man. Tell the man, say, see problem when I don't get for the past, so that not be later. When I don't go hospital, you don't find out. You go cause you say, why you not tell me this? That one day. Then some, when you get pikin before, especially those of us when they Europe, you get pikin before, you can't go, you can't jam man when one marry you. You don't need to hide your baby. You don't need to hide your children. Man, when he love you, go love your children first. You tell us, I don't born, no. See how many children I get. That man, when he love you, go say, I'm even happy. He go accept you like that. Fine, that one is accepted. But he gets some kind of secret when he be say, you're not supposed to share with that man. Because if you share am with him, If you share am with him, Owe lekewo. Not say I not tell you. You know, say this tatafo work. I know they mind my business. If I see something, you permit me to come and say it here, I'll bring it to my platform. I know they carry, they bring person story, they come. You don't understand? Keep your secrets to yourself. Then for the guys, before I go talk this, for the guys, listen and listen good. I'm not saying you be guy man. Because you see some guys say, the way they take day, please share with your friends. The way some guys stay there, they'll go look and say, this one are my blood, this one are my blood, now my blood. This one are my blood, this one are my blood. Your blood go nail you for back. Your blood go betray you big time. Some people, make I tell you the way some people take day for this life. They are wolf on sheep clothing. They be wolf, but they wear calm sheep cloth so that when you see them, they get innocent face, they look calm, they look cool. Brother, sister, not judge book by cover. All those ones, they are more dangerous. You see, when they do something, come out giddy, 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 giddy. Those people, I look them as plain as anything. They know they put something for mind. But you see those ones, when they say you go do that, they go calm. They go calm. If they won't do you back, you go even know, say yes, devil, they related to them. Some guys, they go say, bestie, blood, brother. From that brother, so, they go snatch your girlfriend, no level. From that brother, so, they go colobi, walk from you, no level. Keep your secret to yourself. You never see two friends when they say they go find work. Two boys go find work. Now the boy, now you carry your friend go. But last, they go do it. They go call your friend, leave you. Because of waiting. You don't believe yourself, say you today. That guy, na my oga, now the lawyer give her. I see the lawyer give her so. They don't, your brother, your bestie, your friend don't pass back, go collect work food from your mouth. Oh. So, bros, get sense. You dey hear me? Get sense. Get sense. You go see some guys, they go just share secrets like say, okay, tell sorry, they don't do unto you. Okay, sure you don't learn your lesson now. Your lesson, you don't learn it in a hard way. You go see some guys, they go tell their friends, say, you see this my babe, she dey fire, she sabi, if na back, if na front, she sabi do, she sabi give, she sabi sweet in the middle. As you tell that your blood brother, that brother where you call blood, not know where una take relate to, not know where una take family each other. That brother when you call blood, you don't call her blood finish. Before you look, you go thief your girlfriend number. Go thief your girlfriend number for your phone. Go begin to call your girlfriend. They write down, say, you see this your guy, and go digger. You see this your guy, now any other person, not follow am mo, not go near am mo. I don't dey crush on you. This your guy not go marry you. Your person when you call your blood, because brother, all these boys when they see this, a bit called their when they just see their friend, blood me. When it be say problem come na blood don't do wetin, it don't dry. Bros, use your HQ. You go tell your friend, your blood brother, say some guys they value their friends pass some their brother when they be say now the same mama and papa born them. Fine, they dey like that at times because some brothers na not go area. You go value them. You go tell them, say this your girl, if they try, I won't marry am. When you don't tell your friend like that, say you won't marry this girl, na wife material. Then this your friend now go pass your back. Go meet this your guy, this your girlfriend. You go tell am say this guy, he no wan marry you. If they talk and say no go marry you, you no sabi cook, you no sabi quench, you no sabi anything. The guy, he go spoil you, give that to your friend, your blood, your girlfriend. Go spoil you, give am. Then last, when you and the girl break up, you see say the girl dey behave strange. When you and the girl break up, wetin go come happen before you look? The day when you go say make you pay your blood, surprise visit, and when they spoil you so, if they tell you everything, if they see they engineer you, because some guys now they use their brain. The guy go see they engineer you, say, that girl, na any girl, I see her for one place, and he no see you, go they spoil you. When they spoil you finish, they spoil you, they give the umecha, they carry go, they carry come. When you don't complete the mission, you and the girl can finally break up. Guess what? The day when you go pay your friend surprise visit, you go see your babe. You spread like virus for bed. Learn to keep your secret to yourself. Learn to keep your past secret to yourself. It helps a lot. You see this mouth, it don't put many people for problem. Even this tatafo work when they do, I pray make you not put me for problem. When I'm not vessel. If you don't like this topic, so I know they talk your mind, don't be offended. Make I beg you down. If you see me for road, no beat me. But I must say the truth. You dey hear me? Then married women. Hey! You see some married women. I don't talk babes, I don't talk guys. You see some married women. Some married women. I'm not go area. You see some married women. Now married women now see say their mouth, they close. Their mouth they yarn. When you not ask them, they go yarn. Married women. Women when you dey husband house. Make una not go say, Tetafo priest, you never marry, you dey advise married women. Yes. They know finish. I dey see you, my sister, you are doing well. Married women, learn to keep your secrets to yourself. It gets some kind married women when it day. The day when I be say, in fact, the ones when I even they read, I can't they come across, can't see the visto, they see with my eye. Married women, now need flog. Sorry, make una no verse, you cannot say Malians they free. But times, now need flog. Now no, from una husband, though, no be me, from una husband. You know, so at times, some married women, if you never touch them small, their brain not the resets. When you touch them small, men are not saying una beat una wife or say no to domestic violence. No beat your wife. Touch them small, now talk. Their brain no dey reset. Wetin you and your husband do just now. You go carry phone. Hello? You see this my husband? He try. He try. If you see what he do, he carry my children go shopping. He even go buy me diamond ring. He don't buy me wetin they call am better original hair. He don't do this, he don't do that. Your friend when a marriage not dey succeed now go call say so this small girl when he be say I first enter marriage, I senior for marriage, cause they enjoy for our marriage. They go begin shoot arrow. They feel not do in a physical, but in the spiritual realm. They go begin shoot arrow. Before you look, Ozigi don come. Waiting not reach to cause quarrel, go cause quarrel for your marriage. Waiting not reach to vex your husband, you go vex your husband. Because one, you don't use yourself, your mouth, to say your glory, go out. You don't use your mouth, say your enjoyment, go out. That friend when you go there, go call they jealous you. Bad belle go call come. Marriage is not the bed of roses. At times, it is sweet. At times, it is bitter. Then when the sweetness come, you enjoy am to the fullest. Then when the bitterness come, madam, na your cross, carry am. But some women will not be like that. When it is sweet, then their mouth not dey close. Learn to keep your marriage secret to yourself, married women. Keep your secret to yourself. Because that secret where you dey go tell that you go look and say, after all, a fellow married woman like me, they husband house. Who tell you? You never hear say woman divorce her husband, go marry a friend husband. Listen to me, may you then hear me. You dey capital me? Friend, see, two bestie, one divorce her husband, go marry a friend husband. Shey you grab. You see how the thing they play now. Keep your secrets to yourself. Keep your secrets to yourself. If you dey enjoy for your marriage, madam, close your mouth. If it's bitter, seal it. Learn to settle your marriage differences within yourself. Avoid third party. That third party, majority, if they put 100 third party, 90, they can't destroy. Now only 10 won't settle. Learn to keep your marriage secret to yourself. No, they say, this my husband, today, he give me well. Wetin scatter that two bestie marriage, so because of say, the woman, make I first talk this small story before I go talk about until. Two women, they are, oh yes, Mommy Chantel, God bless you. Some besties, some married women, Please, I need water. Thank you. Some married women, Some married women, they go gather information from you. You go tell them, say, this your husband bad though. He know they touch you. He know they romantic. He not sweet for bed. But you see one of their own, they no go hear. You no go hear one of their marriage problem. They go tell you say na their husband be the best. Your husband no dey beat am o. They go tell you say your husband no dey beat am, say na your husband na good pass, na be the best man. Who tell you? You get marriage where argument no dey dey. Please hold the light. This is so. I go cool my temper first. I go drink water. You get marriage where arguments no dey dey. Some go tell you say na their husband na good pass. Na lie yo. The man dey panel beat them. When you see them, sister, dear Lowa, wetin do you for eye? You go say no worry, na betrothed drum me for. Go dey use Brazilian hair dey do wetin? Dey cover am. go use Brazilian hair cover am. Maybe last you call here and say, that one, her husband nearly kill am for night. That is why you will keep your secrets to yourself. You no get who you own bad pass. You no get who you own sweet pass. Marriage na packaging. Friend fit divorce friend, go marry friend. Friend fit divorce her husband, go marry a friend husband. This life is something else. So make I tell you as this story take go. Two friends dey. Two friends dey. Like now, I call dey tell my friend. Maybe I get friend. I call dey tell my friend, this my husband. He sabi do. And that my friend husband no dey stay with him. That my friend when I dey tell, her husband no dey stay. They work for outside. So na only she and children dey stay. So most time, she dey come my place, she go keep me company, we go dey. Based on say her husband not dey, house dey lonely for her, she and her children go come, go spend weekend. Women talk now. Women talk. We go come, we go dey share, say, this my husband for night. He dey service me well. This my husband sweet, he sabi. My friend now come dey jealous me. Because one, her husband is not close to her. And me, my husband, they dish me every night. They make me the sweet in the middle every night. She'll come dey jealous. She jealous, he not pay me. Oh. She jealous, he not pay me. Then, I don't share some secrets with her. Say the time when I dey omogeli, when the bitch I never marry. I dey do olosho where I dey collect money, I dey pimp, I dey do this, I dey do that. Not to say she gather all those information. I don't know. The oga kpatakpata of it or come. So, I coming to my place every weekend called the frequent. I go say, this one you call they come every weekend. So, you know, give me my privacy. No, say when she dey come, she get another interior motive. If she come for night, she go sneak come up for visitors room. When I don't give her, she dey comfortable. She go sneak come. Me and my husband room, we go put ear down. As we dey scream. When my husband they give me, when I dey sweet in the middle, she go put ear down, they peep. How we take dey scream? Baby, finish me. Baby, kill me. Baby, this. When she don't put all those one, she go come dey honey. She go come dey do body like this. Later, when she don't go her room, she will come get So this thing when my friend tell me na truth, this her husband they try you. How person could just last 1 hour? You know they tire. Hey, this useless man when I'm married. I wish if he dey like this. Jealousy don't come. Even if she not get spiritual before, she go find. Jealousy don't come. You go say, how come? How my girlfriend, me with her don't live life and we live rough life. How come God got a blessing with better husband? No come bless me. Jealousy number 2. And my children even find past my own. And they wear better clothes. And they wear. Jealousy go come. When that jealousy come now, the woman now go come go her house. Go come they write my husband. Normally before, if me and you na tight friend, most time you come my house. And your husband they call you. Your husband they call your line. No, but if he call me, say, please give my wife phone. I want to talk to her. Now normal thing. So you don't need to ask her to get your husband number. Now so it say they call they write the husband. Say this your wife. This your wife. I won't tell you something. Not tell her more. This your wife don't do wrong. Swear well. You see that your co-worker when you with her they work before. That your co-worker you don't sleep with her more because of all those things. Because me don't already share secret with that my friend say he get one of my husband co-worker the time when he be say they do runs or no show he don't sleep with me even two don't sleep with me they go cause say so that secret I'm not sharing with my husband though but I share am with friend when I call bestie. Hey kono miss on your I'll call share am with her when I share am with her finish. Because say she won't snatch my husband, she'll call go nail me, give my husband. Say, you see those your co-worker, they still they eye your wife because they don't run your wife before. My husband, I go come, they come, he'll call they change. if the things when they buy before, you call the reducer, you know, call the buy reach me, you call the buy give only children. I go look and say maybe not get money. He come master am, he come master am. One day, my husband invite my friend go hotel. Say, come on, come tell me how this thing waka. My friend, not no say, after when I don't tell my friend that story, he should come from my mouth one day, make I retalk the story again. I'll call it tell him that thing again, put her for record. So that one I go call show my husband. My husband go reach out, even to eat my food, no problem. Please raise this thing up a little. Even to eat my food, no problem. You don't understand? It's okay. Then later on, me and my husband, if honey wake up, is that how to hug? You go kiss, is that how to kiss? Fourth go, God they come. No, say that day when he invites my friend, go hotel, he dey do am. Didn't you like what you're seeing? Your wife not be say 2 package rich meal. I find pass am. You know say my husband fine. You know say man na man. When you don't show am back and front, most of them go for enter. They go call run package. And the way my friend come take give my husband that day, my husband go say, my wife never give me this type before. Because one, I don't already share secret of the kind of style when I dey give the man. So she go learn another new strategy. If I know they give wheelbarrow before, she go give my husband wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow, omiema shale. Because why? I didn't keep that secret to myself. I did not keep that past to myself. Married women, learn to keep your secret to yourself. Keep your secret to yourself. Nobody go beat you. Nobody go beat you say you must tell me word. Nobody go beat you say you must nobody go tell you say you must force, or nobody must force word come out for your mouth. At times, control your speech, control your tongue. If not, you see this mouth, this your mouth. They gonna let her not be una portion in Jesus' name. The married women, when they watch me, it's never your portion and it will never be your portion in Jesus' name. You and your husband, una go live together, train una children together. But keep your secret. The marriage good. It go package most times when it be say, you keep some kind things about your marriage to yourself. You go look at say na your fellow married woman, after all, she get her own husband. You know whether they hire your husband. You think say na only side chick, you think say na only babe for outside. They hire people husband. Some married women, that they envy your husband. Say, I wish na this man I marry. I wish na this kind of man God give me. I wish na this kind of man God stay bless me. Madam, not be only babes they are your husband, no. Even married women, some they pray, make your enemy die, come out for them, make they enter. Get sense. Get sense. Some they pray, make your enemy die, come out for them, make they do wetin, make they color be the man take. Shey you say you dey enjoy. Come enjoy, make I see you now. If some not people use physical, they seduce your husband. Some not use physical seduce your husband. Some go use spiritual. They fight you. Pikin no dey sick before pikin go dey sick. Husband na no dey get quarrel before, you go see am quarrel go come from nowhere. Wetin all this argument, you yourself go dey say, but I dey tell this man this word since now. Why go be say today will vex am? You go look as okay, after all, every day no dey be the same. You go dey continue. Continuously. Just know, say, you have to go down on your knees and pray. Pray, because the devil, he won't enter. And God not go let him be in a portion. Especially married women, keep your secrets to yourself. Even your own sister, when you go call, after all, I'm my younger sister. You know, yes, say younger sister snatch up husband from senior sister. Say because senior sister never feel born. Before they look, younger sister get belle put she born. How many people story you want hear before you go get sense? May you use your brain now. Abi you know yes, say sister collect boyfriend from sister. You get some kind of times when it be say your sister go come. Your sister go come. Your sister go come. When it go come like this. See, no sister, no brother is jungle. Marriage be like jungle. Carry your own cross. Your sister will come like this. When you know say your man, all men know they be the same shout song. When you know say your man, he dey like lick corner, dey lick tongue. Anything when you see, go like do. Babes, protect your man. Even if na your bestie, protect him. If I be your bestie, protect your man from me. You see, devil not there. Now we human being, bad mind they enter. Now we human being, bad mind they enter till they walk as devil. You don't see devil face to face. All those images where they see like this, you don't know say na human being they do like that. You don't see devil face to face. Protect your man. Small girl when sister bring come from village, make it call help her. Because of say sister never fit carry belle. Before sister look one day, younger sister don't get belle for husband. Husband say after all, I no comot for una family. Na the same family. Make she born my pikin. Abi if you be man, you don dey find pikin for years. Girl come get belle for you and your wife sister. You come say because na your wife sister make dem remove her. No, you go gree. You no go gree. Oh, men talk truth. You no go gree. Keep your secrets to yourself. You know say some sisters the worst pass. In fact, the worst pass even bestie friend. Based on say they see say your husband they package you where they go they say my sister don't marry, I never marry. I still dey house. Make her go visit them. From visits, they go take your husband. Keep your secret to yourself. Abi, you know hear say mama snatch husband from pikin? You know hear her from my mouth now. You go feel say na lie o. Say not be reality. Na reality, my sister. Mama snatch husband from pikin. The way normally now, mama and daughter they close. I'll tell my mama say, mommy, this my husband, they try you. My mama go say, get some kind of relationship where you get with your mama. You go say, your mama go ask you say they try for bed because that time they marry your papa they try. You go say, mommy, this one they try you. You know they see some my shape they come out. When you tell your mama, all those who no bozigi mama, every mama when you don't want picky progress, when you say make you picky marriage scatter, Holy Ghost fire. Because my mama they pray for picky, say go ahead. Even if my own not succeed that time, your own go succeed in Jesus' name. But some mama not be so. You go say the time when I be girl, I not marry fine boy like this. So this my daughter. Mama go the jealous speaking. Keep your mouth shut. There are some kind of things you don't need to tell your mother. Me as a day, so not be everything I dey tell my mama. I get my secret when I keep from my mama. Because this world now don't dey wide to the extent when it be say, you don't even know who to trust. Even your own pikin to trust am na problem. Except say the one when you carry for belle, now you go fit deny for. Then men, I don't talk babes, I don't talk young guys, I don't talk married women. Then married men, keep your secret to yourself. If you know say you be man, you don't marry, keep am. That your wife when you dey go praise give your friend, oga, dem wan scatter your marriage so. That's your wife when you dey say, this my wife. This my wife sweet well. Hey, because of say this my wife fine. Hey, see how many children when we go born o. Oga, if your friend not fit use physical because of say they never see pikin born, they fit go block your wife womb. She no go see pikin again. Keep your mouth shut. Keep your secrets to yourself. Married, you know you say papa don't snatch wife from pikin. You know you say papa go sleep with wife, a pikin wife. Later I say you don't know the time when they do and say na devil work. You know you keep your secrets to yourself. Learn to seal your mouth. Not be everything you go dey yarn. After all, you don't marry, you get wife and children. Who tell you? Some men get wife and children, but they don't want to leave your wife alone. Some men don't marry, but they don't want to let go of your wife. If you be man, package your wife well, make she look good. If you they see women, if you they see women when they be say they wear Brazilian hair, they pack all this ziggy, all this makeup when I pack full face, then you like them. And your wife not dey like that. Carry her go makeup school. 3 months she don't finish. Other Brazilian hair, or you carry her go where they buy. Ask people. If you touch your wife, she will look good for you. Not the eye people wife. Not the eye people wife. Because better soup na money kill am. Food when e sweet na money. Woman fine, maintain your own. Who get that name there? Woman fine, maintain your own. Ah, this girl fine, oh, this girl package your own now. Oga, package your wife. No, they look people wife. You go look and say this guy na my friend. You know, you say brother collect brother wife. You know, Yera. Listen, make I tell you now. E get one bobo when I get that time back then for Nigeria. In brother, this is me talking to you. That my bobo, we know they again know it have stayed. In brother, I can't jam am for Facebook. And that time when he brother, we know they again. That in brother come, his senior brother, that my bobo na junior. His senior brother called the tell me, say, what do you see for my brother body? I beg, I like you. Follow me. Because now that senior brother they work. I go give him money. You know, say na me they work. My brother not go ever get work. Oh. Number 1 point. Now I say, I been you they do your brother make you not see work. Because we already don't find work. You don't see. Before I come finally, I not come to see those people again. One day I come jam am for Facebook here. He come send me friend request. He come tell me say, long time you don't find no. Now I say, long time. What of your brother? I say, my brother dey. He dey. I say, hey, don't tell. He say, say you come find. I say, na God oh. Now I come say, where your brother dey? Now I say, see where he dey. He say, he don't dey work. He say, that one go fit see work. He will work life go let am see work. Now I come say, okay, he never see work. Okay, give me his number. Now he come tell me say, I know my brother number. I know dey where my small phone dey. Now my small phone na dey because my chat will take the talk. Now my small phone na dey. Now I come say okay. Now your small phone that say bros just give me the number now. You know say he learn work and I get person when he be say he dey find so person when he learn this kind of work for so state so that whether I fit connect them make they go work, make him go work for them. You know wetin this boy tell me? He just drop his own number. He say abeg call me we get talk. The way I dey see you so you don fresh well. Now say bros so come how you take dey? Give me your brother. You no fit give me your brother number. But you know you dey drop your number for me make I call you. Why bros? He say he no go fit lie me. He no fit give me brother number. I say for real? It happened to me. I say for real? You no fit give me your brother number. But you dey drop your own brother, you dey drop your own number, make I call you. And this guy in question is even married. He don't marry. Now they see him. He don't want now make I even get clash with his brother again. He just wants me. Married man wants me. But no fit give. So now make you go keep your secrets to yourself. Because that time, that brother when me with am dey, that time they tell this one, say, okay, I go marry her. Oh, I like this girl. I love this girl. No, so those when they tell his brother, he no like him. Because any girl when that one carry, they quit, they run, leave him. So, bros, please on the lights. If you don't marry, you be married man, you dey hear me. Keep your secret to yourself. Now they see me when because I come be like say, even me, I know they see my eyeball. Keep your secrets to yourself. Learn to keep your secret to yourself. There are some certain people, you don't need to share your secret with them. There are some certain beings in this life, you don't need to even tell them anything about you. Keep them to yourself. You go say, this my wife, this my wife. Another my wife go pass, you go look in Nyash. See, bros, they don't they sell Nyash for market now. Go buy Nyash, package your wife for me big. They don't they sell push-up. Go buy push-up, package your own. Your wife for me big. No, they look people own. Yes, household enemy, my sister. This thing when I talk just now, it happened to me. It happened to me. Keep your secret to yourself. It's not good. They go do this one for you, you go talk. They go do this one for you, you go talk. You don't know who they jealous you. You don't know who like you. You don't know who hates you. You don't know who they happy say you they progress. Not be everybody they happy say you they progress. You go see some people, you go tell them say, you will there be friend o, una marry the same time. But based on say this one never get pikin na, you don get 2, 3 na, that one go dey get your bad belle. Go dey get your bad belle. See wetin I watch of recent for this same social media. Friend go kill friend pikin spiritually because of jealousy. Say they are two married the same time. She in the born, man o, in the born, his own wife never fit take him. So he kill and say everybody go dey like that. Wetin you call gain? Keep your secrets to yourself. Keep your secrets to yourself. Madam, oga, babes, guys, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching me, look at that my topic. If you just dey come, grab something. I been wan talk sister story, but time don go because I no wan exceed my time. That one go be part 2. I go talk and sis, if you dey watch me, no vex because I go talk your story because the story long and I no fit talk am today again because of say time don already go. Na till my next live broadcast for on Sunday. If you dey watch me, keep your secret to yourself. Learn to seal your mouth. There are some certain things you don't share with people. Keep am, especially your past life when you don live before. Then for those married one, if you know say e dey sweet you well well for inside, abeg, as you dey watch me so, seal your mouth. No dey yarn all the time. They no ask you. I know where you go go. Dear, I know where you go go. They no ask you. You just dey judge because you want me to look you say na your own sweet path. Some people they go gather information from you, but you no go hear dime from them. They go dey shake head. They go dey shake head. All those information when they gather from you, so they want so that one day when una just get small quarrel, you go say you want go do abortion last week. You when you go sleep, carry woman go sleep hotel, go tell your wife. How she bow you know? That man when you go tell say get one babe when I cash as I dey come for work, I call like give my wife say my oga call me say we dey travel. Una call go hotel. The day when you and that your guy go quarrel, if you even use am blackmail you. Most of nowadays they use secret, they blackmail person. If you not give me so money, I will go tell your wife. Because say you see say unity dey their marriage, they not they quarrel, they not they fight come out like your own, they not they tear head for outside. You want scatter am. That make you go keep your secrets to yourself. Because that friend when you tell say you see one babe, you call cash and one side chick, she's sweet well. The day when you not go get quarrel now, go tell your wife say so day. Your husband, he sleep with one girl for hotel. And you know, say, not get woman, even if the thing don't pass, you not get woman when you want to say, your husband, go quench another girl, especially side chick, he go green. Even if she do say she lets go. Yeah, he go turn, he go pain am. Food when you dey chop, another girl, one girl for that matter, don't go chop am. So men, learn to keep your secret to yourself. In case, now this one I say make I go share with you now. Time don't go. This is 8:26. We just get only 4 minutes. And if you be that type, this is my advice to you. From Delta Tatafo Princess to you that is watching me. If you be that type, you and person don't share secrets before. Because you wanna get quarrel, no matter the quarrel, you can't use the secret laugh the person. You can't use the secret won't disgrace the person. My brother, my sister, change. If not, God will expose you. God will expose you if you not change. Learn to respect the secret you've shared with someone when you were in good terms. Learn to respect that secret when person don't tell you about your past life. Not they use person secret, they laugh at. Not they use person, waiting person go through, they laugh at. You go see some babe, they go tell their fellow babe, say, babe, see what they pass through. This thing, I don't know whether it go feel work out again. No. If you go see when they just get quarrel, go say, see this one. This one when they do a shower up and down. This one when they do a lotion up and down. Because of so na get quarrel. But you don't know, say that quarrel one na get, na just temporarily. It go, as in, una go see settle. Una fit settle at any time. So why you want shame the person? In fact, God not go shame us in Jesus' name. If human beings shame us, God not go ever shame us in Jesus' name. human being shame us, God no go ever shame us. Now make it not good, make the poor for human being. This is my advice to you. Learn to respect the secret. Respect secret when person does share with you. Respect person past life when he don't tell you, say, see what I don't experience before. See how my marriage take go. See how my relationship take go. See what I dey pass through. See health issue when I get to. Respect am. Not look and say because una get quarrel, una get beef, you call they use it, they cost person. No condition is permanent. Person go tell you say, e be like say I get spiritual husband, no. Men they disappoint me. The day one I just call you go call her ogbanje. Womle. Now make men not they stay alive. So, madam, if you're that type, change. Bros, if you be that type, change. Respect secret when person tell you say, the time when I did Nigeria, if you be guy man, I cast well. I do shit. Madam won't even pursue me come on for house. When I take on Europe, then when you are the person just get quarrel, you go tell the person say, I go tell police say you don't keep person if I make you run come out. Bros, wait till you gain. Wait till you gain. You gain nothing. You don't gain anything. Now make God not go ever shame us. Even if human beings shame us, God will never shame us in Jesus' name. Please, as you know me before, I beg, if you just dey come or you know dey here since, share this video. Share am. If you no tap anything from inside, your sister, your brother, your siblings, your friend, your family, everybody around you go tap something from inside. In case you don't know me before, now me that they call Delta Tatafo Princess. My darling, thank you all for watching. The girl wey no dey mind her business, the girl when they bring ogbonge topic, they come yarn for here. No vex for me if wetin I dey talk, maybe you no like am. I dey beg you down, no vex for me, make you pardon me. Hey, friends say pardon. Yeah, in case you don't know me before. Then every Thursday and Sunday, I dey do live video. They talk, bring you new topic. If you still get any topic when you fit to share with me, when I go come talk, you fit share am with me. I go still bring a comment here. People go see the comments. They go bring their opinion. Then if you get wetin dey bother you, especially about relationship, nobody is perfect. Hand wash hand, na hand take dey clean. And cooperation make rice plenty. People comment, people opinion fit cure that depression when e dey worry you. You fit share am with me. I no go call your name. I no go bring out your picture. I go only share your story so that make people use and get sense. Make you yourself see, use and learn one or two things from her. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all. God bless you. Please, my channel is there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And next month, na Delta Tatafo Princess Challenge. Selfie without makeup. Nothing like this, nothing like this, nothing like this. Only your face like that. The way your mama take born you that first day. Where you take do, you go snap and you go bring her. If you're interested, go to my YouTube channel and comment. Say you dey interested. Then, I go inbox you. I go give you number when you go take send your own come. Then you go invite your friend. Make they come my page. Cause they share the... Make them come vote for you because now their comment, when they comment your name, now your name, now people when they comment your name pass, now you go qualify. Price is 30,000 naira. Please don't forget. And if you dey watch me, say this giveaway when I dey do. As for you when you come comment, say, me, why I dey do giveaway? It no concern you. If you dey watch me, say the giveaway when I dey do, it dey pay you. I bet add money join, make the money be 50. The money before na 20,000. A person like you now add 10,000 join to make am 30. So add 20 join, maybe 50. Because I dey share for you too. Thanks everyone. I love you all. Thank you. Please don't forget to join me by 7:30 on Sunday. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. God bless you. Mwah!